Hello everybody, I'm going to open one more board I just received today. It's quite heavy. I just want to make sure that we have a work order for this board. Let me just see. That's not it. Yeah, okay. So this is an AC control board. Okay. That's gonna be an interesting one. So you see guys, I get boards from AC, from coffee machines to vacuums to AC boards to pretty much everything. And there's no, like, I'm going pretty much blind on it because I don't have any schematics, any wiring diagram. I'm just going by my knowledge just to see, you know, test all the components and see if I can get this one going. Oh wow, okay, so I see the capacitor is blown for sure. Whew, that's a big capacitor. Okay, so always guys, when you work on capacitors, you want to make sure you discharge it first. You don't want to get zapped from this, so you just take any screwdriver and just put it across to make sure it's all. There's no charge. You want to make sure there's no charge. Okay, now let's take it out. Just want to put it somewhere. There you go. Yeah, well, the capacitor is bad. I can see it's leaking, so we have a problem with the capacitor for sure. There's another little screen, touch screen. I would not worry about this one because this never fails. There's probably a problem here. I can see that this relay might be an issue and maybe a couple more relays here. Okay, let's start testing the components. He definitely needs a new capacitor. I'll call him and see if he wants me to get the new capacitor. And yeah, this needs to be cleaned up. And wow, that's a good one. Alright, I'm back. I had to put some gloves because it's very dirty here, and you know, and I don't think it's very good liquid anyways to touch it. Yeah, this needs to be cleaned up for sure. Maybe even replace the bracket or something. Wow, it's not gonna work. Let's try a different screw. There you go. Okay, so capacitors seems to be okay. I don't think there's a problem with capacitors here, but there's an issue here that I can't take those screws out, which is not really good. Like one screw I can take out. This looks like it's coming out, and that's good. Let's see. We definitely have lots of heat problem here. Like the capacitor probably created too much heat on this side, and look, even this relay looks a little bit burned out. We'll see what's behind. Some contacts here too. Let's see, once I reach the back side of the controller, I'm gonna be able to see more issues, if there's any. Okay, I need to put something underneath to push the controller out. Let's see if I'm gonna be able to do that. Yeah, I think it's coming up. Okay, I think I see the problem. It's gonna be a fun one. Okay, it gives me a little trouble. Let me stop the video and I'll continue it once this leg is out. Hope I don't have to drill it through. Okay, so I'm back, and unfortunately I had to drill this through. Oh boy, it doesn't look good here. One more capacitor is bad. Yeah, because the side was here. Probably some water damage on this side too. Okay. Let me just clean it a bit because it's all rusty. And this transformer too. Okay. Let's see what I can do, if I can save this one. Looks in pretty bad shape though. What a difference, eh? Now let me just clean everything here. There's multiple problems here, I can tell. In order to fix it properly, I need to call the customer. Well, first of all, I need to make an estimate on this because this looks like there's multiple issues. And initial fee will not cover it because I think just this capacitor is probably around 90 bucks, if not more. Usually commercial stuff or anything AC and stuff are very expensive. Okay, let's see what can be done on this one, but yeah, definitely it was under lots of abuse. I'm just gonna clean the area and I'll come back. Okay, it's better now. Let me see. So there was a problem here. So this capacitor is fried as well, you can see from inside. The varistor is, I have to check here, there's a resistor that's fried too. Oh boy. It was underwater from what I can see. Okay, let's start testing. I like using this curve tester, as you guys saw it from my previous videos. Let's test this guy. Oh wow, looks like it's a good capacitor, but you see this swollen here? Even it says it's good, I would definitely replace it. Now let's test this. Yeah, this is not a good resistor. Yeah, this resistor is no good. So I have to find this big resistor, and I'm not sure what's the I'll try to find anything closer to that, but you see there's this part right here. is burned out completely, and I can't read because each stripe means number, and I don't see the numbers on this one, so we'll see what I can do on this one. Capacitor seems to be okay. Let's check the varistors. Let's do it low altitude. How about high? Yeah, I think this varistor is actually, hold on. There's a little rust here, so it might be the issue. Yeah, this varistor is dead too. Let's test the other one, the other varistor. Okay, so the varistor is just right here. Yeah, it's dead too. Man, all this power section is dead. Let me test those guys. This is good. Up. This is down. This one's down. This one is, yeah. So those guys are good. Let's look at this. It's leaked too. This resistor too. Ay. There's lots of problems on this board. Although it seems to be okay, I don't like this. I don't know where this rust came from, but I would definitely change this resistor too. Oh boy. Yeah, Triac seems to be okay. Okay, so we have so far bad capacitors, those two varistors, bad resistor. How about this capacitor right here? Yeah, this capacitor is okay. I didn't even reach the relays yet. Let's see this coil. This coil is good. Yeah, this coil seems to be okay. Okay. Okay, this coil is good. Oh boy. Multiple problems in this board. Alright, back to this one. So far I found few problems. This capacitor is no good, you can see it's cooked. This coil is good, this transformer is not good, the varistors are not good, the resistor is not good. Okay, this capacitor is good. These guys, I don't worry about them. They actually, this one is not good too. I can see lots of corrosion. So yeah, probably those two as well. So far 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 components just in this little sector. 8 another varistor, and I didn't even go farther. So 8 components plus this one. The capacitor is also not good. So 9 components so far. Let's move to this side and see if I can find more issues. So we have the coil on this side for this relay. Yeah, 27 mega ohm. Oh boy, this relay is not good too. So 10 components. I don't know how much the customer wants to spend on this. This relay is good. This relay is bad. Alright. Sorry, I had another client came into the shop, so okay. So this looks like a bad relay. Now let's test this relay right here. What's the position of it? I just wonder. It sits. That's not the coil. It's not the coil. Okay. So this relay is good. This relay is bad. Oh boy. You have more capacitors. All those ones are capacitors. 15 microfarad, 1 microfarad. This is all capacitors. Oh boy, 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 boy. I don't know. It's looks like lots of problems on this board. Yeah, this capacitor is good. It's not swollen, which is good. What about this one? This is a good one. And this one. Good. Good. One, two, three. 1, 2. Yeah, that's good. Measuring in the wrong spot. This is the one, I think. Okay, this is not a good reading. Okay, we might have a bad capacitor right here, and it really makes sense because those components, this one is a bad resistor, it's by the capacitor, so I think we have one bad capacitor here. Those ones seems to be okay. I'm gonna have to do an estimate on this board. Yeah, and I can see maybe more problems. Now you see, there's more problems here. This one's good. Now those ones, they both bad. This is open. This one's open too. Two more resistors. Oh boy. This board is required lots of attention. A lot of attention this board needs. Yeah, this maybe just grab some it's not supposed to show me this mark. Let me just see. I'm just gonna measure the resistance on this one. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, they're good. What about this one here? Oh boy, another open. Another bad resistor. Wow. I don't know where to start, but there's lots of bad components here. And at this point, I don't know if the customer